Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a laptop and mobile phone. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First, draw a trapezoid shape by using sweeping and slanted lines. Now draw a rectangle shape on top of the trapezoid. Now draw another rectangle inside parallel to the first rectangle for the screen. Draw a rectangle inside the trapezoid shape for keyboard. Now draw sleeping lines and standing lines to make small squares for buttons. Now draw a small rectangle below the keypad for touchpad. Now draw heart shape inside by using an alphabet small m and B. Now let's draw a mobile. Draw a rectangle shape with curved edges on all four sides. Draw another rectangle by leaving spaces on top and on the bottom. On top of the space, draw a small circle and a rectangle shape for the camera and speaker. On the bottom, draw a circle for the finger touch. Let's start coloring. Orange color. Yellow color. Purple color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Red color. Purple color. Pink color. Yellow color. Red color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Orange color. Gray color. Sky blue color. red color. See, it's very simple. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a helicopter. See you.